Hello, this is Pine Clock Picking, and today we're going to be attempting to pick this vintage Yale. I don't know if you can see that, made in the USA. And let's see if we can get this thing open. It is a wafer lock. Let me show the key. And the key is super light. Seems to be made out of aluminum. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing picked. Trying to start in the back. But my tensioner is not stopping that first wafer from moving up. We'll try for another minute or so and see how it goes. Oop, slipped. And we got that open. So I am not that good at wafer locks. They're a little bit different than pin tumbler locks, but we did get the open. Anyway, thanks for watching, and that will be today's video. Peace, everyone.